Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is the real enemy of unity. See, have you ever noticed that churches rarely fall apart because of persecution? See, the reason is they fall apart because of pride. See, in Philippians chapter 2, 1-3, Paul writes to a church that loved Jesus, believed the truth, and was active in mission. Yet, unity was cracking. The question is why? It was not because they lacked doctrine. See, not because they lacked programs, but because self was quietly taking the throne. See, Paul names the real enemies of unity is selfish ambition and vain glory. See, selfish ambition says, "What about my voice?" Vainglory says, "Notice me." And here's the danger. These sins don't look evil. They often wear religious clothing. So Paul doesn't offer a policy. He offers a posture. He says, in humility, value others above yourselves. See, friends, humility is not weakness. Humility is strength under surrender. And unity doesn't come from everyone agreeing. It comes from everyone kneeling. Paul reminds the church of what they already share: encouragement in Christ, comfort from love, and fellowship of the Spirit. In other words, you already have unity. Now live like it. See, friends, the cure of disunity is not winning arguments. It's losing pride. Because when self steps down, Christ steps up. And when Christ is at the center, unity is no longer forced. It becomes the natural fruit of the gospel. So the church is strongest not when it exalts itself, but when it reflects the humility of Christ. God bless.